syukur nak Islam jong undang san Hima.
Ke Menteri Ketenat ke Khynnah ke Sorkar jela ke Dr. Mezel Amprin Lingdo kalaong. Bakal don gajingnya keren baru Menteri Badai Pet ke Ketenat ke Rep Keriang jong ke Sorkar India Narendra Singh Tomar hanong ba New Delhi. Ha gajingin don lang o Menteri Rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkel Sangma Halor ke Jingduh jong ki Khynnah ke jela Meghalaya kiba Pule ha Manipur bat kibala duru i jing Pule jong ki nakadaw ke jing yakin at kabalane mentah lalai benang hitam hapo ke jela Manipur da ke bakerpat ru yo Menteri ke Sorkar India ban perkhat lem ke bentang ki Khynnah Pule ke jela bakin yo lat biang sasisin ban peteng ki jing Pule jong ki klam dahap ban sedang biang nabas sedang bat beteng nak ke ke bakil adab ban syahikai Padahal yang ke Sorkar India ru kala menjor ban Shimkhia Halor kani bat Kular ru ban island iki Khynnah bakin pendap di Jing Pule jongki ki bamla asu ban let biang Manipur ban pendap di Jing Pule bakham shalor padahal yang ke Sorkar jelaru kala Shimkhia hakabedei bat kilat kilenti ban penlong di Jing hikai online ne offline ya gitu ki Khynnah.
Detailed discussion with the Honorable Union Minister for Agriculture when we were in Delhi recently in the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister. We have correctly highlighted that it has become inconvenient for our students who are studying in the state of Manipur because of the prevailing situation in the state of Manipur, and we have requested that in the meanwhile we must make provisions for our students to continue their studies without uprooting them from the continuity of acquiring knowledge and becoming graduates in those fields of study. Government of India is well versed with this challenge and is going all out to make options available for students who are unable to travel to Manipur, where there are 2-3 centers of excellences in the field of education. We are on the job, and so far students who had approached me, I am told, have been relieved, and arrangements are being made either online or offline also as well.
You also met the Union Health Minister. Any issues?